Hello students, this video is in the continuation of the chapter Verbs. In the last video, we studied that doing words or action words are called verbs, and verbs are very important for a sentence. We also discussed about the types of verbs, main verbs and helping verbs. Now in this video, we will study about different forms of verb. There are 5 forms of verbs. Number 1, base form. Number 2, simple present tense. Number 3, simple past tense. Number 4, present participle. And number 5, past participle. Now we will discuss all these forms one by one. The base form of verb is the root word. Why it is called the root word? Because other forms of verb are derived or made from this base form of verb. The base form and simple present tense are mostly identical. This means the base form of verb and the verb that is used in the simple present tense are identical. Time is expressed by using appropriate form of verb. It means different forms of verb tell us about the time, whether it is present time or past time, because in present tense or past tense different forms of verbs are used. So what is tense? Tense is time. Simple present tense. Simple present tense expresses actions in present time. It means the work that is done in the present time shows the simple present tense. And simple past tense expresses actions in past time. It means the actions were done or the work was done in the past time. Different forms of verb. Here in this table you can see different forms of verb. I have taken some examples of the verb and their different forms. Let's see them. Base form or present tense, that is V1, labeled at V1. I have already told you that base form of verb and the present form of verb are mostly identical. And these are labeled as V1. Past tense, labeled as V2. In the past tense, past form of verb is used, that is V2. Past participle, labeled as V3. And present participle form of verb, that is V4. It is also called ing form of verb. Now let's see how the forms of verbs are changed according to time. Here in present tense, base form of verb is bake. In past time it is changed to baked. Past participle baked, and the ing form of the base form is baking. Buy, bought, buying. Base form or the present form of verb is call. Past form called. Past participle called, and ing form is calling. Go, went, gone, and going. Eat, ate, eaten, and eating. Base form be. It is used as is, am, and are in present tense. And this be form is changed to was and were in past tense. In past participle it is changed to been, and in present participle it is changed to being. Have, has in present tense, had in past tense and had in past participle, having in present participle. So here you can see many more examples of verbs that are changed according to the time. Simple present tense. In simple present tense, base form of verb is used when the subjects are I, we, you, they, or plural nouns like boys, girls, etc. Or when the nouns or pronouns are joined by and. In these subjects, we use base form of verb. Examples of base form of verb are read, sing, teach, catch, etc. We use base form of verb plus s and es with it when the subjects are he, she, it, or singular noun, means the noun that are single or one in number, like boy, girl. Here examples of base form plus se or es are reads, sings, teaches, and catches. Here you can see with the base form like read, we have added s in the end. Sings, base form plus s. Teaches, teach base form plus es. Catch, base form plus es, catches. So let's have some examples for simple present tense. Mona polishes her shoes every day. We go to the park on Sundays. They like cheese sandwiches. She enjoys classical music. The girls dance gracefully. Anil and Sahil usually come late to school. He plays the flute. Here in all these examples, you can see base form of verb is used. But in some examples, like Monal polishes her shoes every day, you can see with the base form, we have added es. Because here Monal is singular noun. Now in example, she enjoys classical music. Base form plus s is used here because the subject is she. He plays the flute. Here base form plus s is used because here the subject is he. And in the rest of the examples, we have used simple base form of verb. No s or es is added to them. Simple past tense. In simple past tense, we use past form of verb, that is V2. And this form of verb is used with all type of subjects, whether they are singular pronoun, plural pronoun, or they are singular or plural nouns, or when two nouns or pronouns are joined by and. With every kind of subject, we use past form of verb in simple past tense. Examples of past form of verb are went, pushed, taught, drank, etc. Let's have some examples for simple past tense. I saw a beautiful painting in the shop. Here in this sentence, saw is the past form of see. Here see is present form of verb, that is V1, and so is the past form of verb, that is V2. Mrs. Verma taught us English. Taught is the past form of teach. He dropped her at the bus stand. Here Dropped is the past form of drop. They went to the doctor immediately. Here, in this sentence, went is the past form of go. We spent our pocket money on books. In this sentence, spent is the past form of spend. The children bought flowers for their mother. Here, in this sentence, bought is the past form of buy. Here, buy is the present form of verb, that is V1, and bought is the past form of verb, that is V2. So, all these sentences are the examples of simple past tense. And we can see that in these sentences, past form of verb is used. In this video, we studied about base form of verb, that is called root word. Simple present tense. In simple present tense, we studied that base form of verb, that is V1 or V1 plus S or ES is used. Simple past tense. Here, past form of verb is used. Thank you.